Hi friends, welcome to our channel Government Exam Web. We have started this channel to upload lecture series. These lectures will be related to various academic disciplines of humanities. The main idea behind our channel is to upload videos that will explain broader concepts within a span of 10 to 15 minutes. What happens in humanities is that we often find that the concepts are very difficult to understand. We read the books again and again and still we are not able to understand the concepts. So what we have decided is that we'll pick up one by one different concepts. We'll explain these concepts within each of our videos within a span of 10 to 15 minutes. So it will be easier for the students to understand these concepts, to grasp them, to remember them, and so that it's easier for them to handle the difficult topics. So the first discipline that we have chosen is philosophy. We'll give you an overview of what philosophy is. Philosophy is the theory or attitude that acts as a guiding principle for behavior. As an academic discipline, it is the study of fundamental nature of knowledge, reality, and existence. In its simplest form, philosophy is the study of knowledge or thinking about thinking, although the breadth of what it covers is perhaps best illustrated by a selection of other alternative definitions. Since philosophy is a very broad discipline, it's not possible to summarize the definition of the word philosophy itself in few sentences. So there are numerous definitions that has been offered to the word philosophy. However, this has also been divided into various branches. Some of the definitions that we have narrowed down are ethics, philosophy as a discipline concerned with questions of how one should live. Philosophy as metaphysics is the concern of sort of things that exist and what are their essential nature. Philosophy as epistemology is regarded and what counts as genuine knowledge. Logic and what are the correct principles of reasoning. Philosophy is an investigation of the nature, causes or principles of reality, knowledge or values based on logical reasoning rather than empirical methods. So, philosophy is associated with the study of the ultimate nature of things, reality of knowledge, goodness as discoverable by human reasoning. The rational investigation of questions about existence and knowledge and ethics. The search for knowledge and truth, especially about the nature of man and his behavior and beliefs, the rational and critical inquiry into basic principles. The study of the most general and abstract features of the world and categories with which we think. Mind, matter, reason, proof, truth, etc. Philosophy is careful thought about the fundamental nature of the world, the grounds for human knowledge, and the evaluation of human conduct. First, we'll deal with Indian philosophy during several videos that we'll upload. These videos will consist in Charvak School of Philosophy, Jainism School of Philosophy, Buddhist School of Philosophy, Nyaya School of Philosophy, Vaisheshika School of Philosophy, Mimamsa School of Philosophy, and Vedanta School of Philosophy. The videos that we'll present on Indian philosophy will consist of one school of philosophy in a particular video. We'll explain these concepts in our videos in a precise manner, and then we'll move forward to the next school. Once we are done explaining the concepts of Indian philosophy, we'll explain the concepts of Greek philosophy, and then we'll explain the concepts and philosophers of Western philosophy. The books that we will use mainly are An Introduction to Indian Philosophy by Datta Chatterjee, A Critical Survey of Indian Philosophy by C.D. Sharma, A Critical History of Western Philosophy by Y. Masih, and A History of Western Philosophy by Bertrand Russell. So most of you who have done their bachelor's in philosophy or who are doing their bachelor's in philosophy must be familiar with these books. These books are essentials. Whenever you have to look for an elaboration of a particular topic, you can at any point of time go back to these books and then have a look at it. These books are easily available on online stores as well as in the market. So friends, stay tuned for videos on Indian philosophy and more. Thanks for watching. Like our videos and subscribe to our channel, Government Exam Web.